If you have a frequent complaint of cough and cold, try this Tanvi combination. It's herbal, it's natural. 1 Santha Cough tablet, 1 Vatshanti, 2 Tanvi Shata and 2 Tanvi Jeshta tablets on empty stomach early morning. Take it for 2 to 3 months, and when you feel cold is more, take Santha Cough 3 to 4 times a day extra. If you have coughing more, then take Tanvi Jeshta 2 to 3 times, 4 times extra. This is a best combination from children to age-old person. Anybody can take, even with season change, with what cough, cold, irritations we get, that also will help in this. So this is the best Tanvi combination. Santha Cough, Vata Shanti, Tanvi Shata, Tanvi Jeshta. Do take and control your cough problems.